8%, homeboy. And then we got Crown Peach too. But let's sexify our rim first. So we got some yellow sugar. Then we come in behind that with a little bit of orange sugar. Then we can mix those two sugars together. This high grade stuff, homeboy, okay? Pablo Escobar used to sell this. Facebook, I'm joking, don't flag this video. Okay, now we come in with some corn syrup because I need to stick that sugar to the rim of this glass, right? So the easiest way for me to do this is just to grab some paint, my paintbrush, and just paint the corn syrup on. It's a food grade paintbrush, okay? From the kids store. What it look like, huh? Nothing on here is food grade, not even the food. You take a risk drinking or eating here every single time. Okay, guys, see what we're doing here now? Now I come around. Bang, homeboy. Cute little rim. Ice! Going from a mixing tin, because I don't want to mess up my rim. Okay, guys, let's get some peach rings in this bad boy. Okay, we got a fresh bottle of Crown Royal Peach, okay? Never been opened before. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, damn. Come on, man, pour. Okay. Now, come behind him, my boy's 99, okay? There's 49.5% alcohol, so they're stronger than the Crown. You don't need too much of that, but it's a big bowl, so maybe you need a lot, I don't know. Now we can season it with a little bit of peach vodka, okay? So guys, you see this, our base is strong, okay? We got a strong foundation in there. Now what I doing next, I come in behind with some mango nectar. Now I can stop right about there, guys. I can stop right about there. I need a little bit of orange juice. Yeah, okay, it on the table, might as well use it. These right here, Smirnoff Ice Smashes. These are 8% alcohol, no Smirnoff Ice ain't paying me, but hey, y'all can send me a check, I'll cash it. Now, I've never used these before like this. This should work. Both of these should fit in this hole nice and neat. The cameraman getting ready to run. Would you start running? Yeah! Come on, stop. This is like flying a plane, guys. You want to take off, anything could happen. Look at that, look at the color gradient. It gave us a little gradient though. And there you have it, the Peach Smash Fishbowl, homeboy. We smashing peaches. Okay, let me just go in between this ring, just for a little sip. Damn, it's really peachy. Super peachy, homeboy. Super peachy, but guess what? It ain't really potent. I don't taste strength. Like this really just tastes like a peach drink, okay? Which is good, but really bad, but good. Really good, but really bad. You understand? Really depends on where you're standing, okay? Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy.